AXXM. We're looking for a pullback entry, has yet to do it, all the way down to 840. Problem is that they continue to extend. There's going to be absolutely no chance for a pullback. RHE just hit and bounced. For those that are looking, RHE is still available.
AXSM.
The Chinese semiconductor names are moving strongly, even though Samsung earnings was horrifically bad. Scanner number 5, we're looking at the consistency there. Tops, volume bar, second largest of the day so far, almost setting up for an entry here. All right, RHE softening. A lot of the cannabis names are softening. Wow. Okay. Cron has been going straight down. RHE has that potential.